Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the LED logo illuminated star in the grille, 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. A ginger beige espresso brown MB Tex interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a brown eucalyptus wood trim, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Navigation, a rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touch and steering pad for the infotainment center. This GLE 350 has 34,180 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, check out feldmannimports.com.